Hi everybody, I am here in Australia, just south of Sydney, and I'm at my rock cliff where I walk every day. I walk along the beach to come to this point. This is where I meditate and I get downloads and messages, and it's a beautiful, brilliant place. I actually call it Dragon Island. It's called something else, but I call it Dragon Island. And the dragon energy here is incredible. The energy, the it's like a power spot, and I get so much information here. But also, I feel like I contribute to humanity and Mother Earth in this spot because we are all power spots as well. We are all sacred energy centers and vortexes. So here I am at beautiful Dragon Island. And I wanted to share a quick message with you. I'm gaining so many insights and so many downloads. I'm recording most of them because it's a lot to keep up with. But the one thing I really want everybody to understand is that our mission is evolving. Our purpose here is evolving in this next year. So in preparation for that, it's really important to clear the way, clear the pathways. And the words I keep getting and I am working with is bioelectromagnetic conductivity. Bio is the biology, electrical is the electrical current in the body, the positive and negative charges, the polarity, the flow of energy through the body. And then magnetic is that electromagnetic field that we have, and we have that field around our body, but we also, every single cell has an electromagnetic field. Mother Earth has an electromagnetic field. Every blade of grass, every bug, everything has an electromagnetic field. So when our electromagnetic field and our electrical conductivity and our biology, our body, is all flowing in a way that's not creating any blocks or congestion or adhesions in the body, then everything is moving through us with such brilliant flow, and our ability to be that clear, perfect, incredible channel that everyone needs right now is at our fingertips. It's at our fingertips, it's in our heart, it's in our body, it's in our cells, it's in the spaces between our cells. When we're working at that level of the neurovascular system, when we're working at the level including the connective tissue, and we bring all of that in together, the microbiome in the body, we bring that all in together, what we create is a beautiful community within us. And it's like an energy of collaboration and interconnectivity, and the conductivity, the ability for things to flow through and to our body, to our cells, to flow through to our mind and our heart and everything in between, to move through our energy field. When something comes in that's discordant, it moves in, it gets processed, and then it clears. That's how easy we can actually be functioning here on Earth, especially right now with these new energies that are supporting that. So this next year, I'm really guided to work with individuals that are really ready to unleash and unlock all the blocks on all levels in their body, in their minds, in their hearts, in their whole energy field, in their emotional body, everything. And this isn't a sales pitch. This is about a community of individuals that are going to come together. There's going to be free opportunities like the live experience, the Living Oneness Gathering, the community I'm creating in social. It's a private social media platform. All of that is available to you for free. For those of you who want to go deeper, for those of you that want to work with me one-on-one, there's private sessions, there's the Healer's Toolbox, there's tons of resources, and there's a new, really cool course coming around the physical body and bridging our divinity and our physical. There is a light body in our energy field that we can access, but there's also a light body within our physical, and those two light bodies are meant to merge. But many people are ignoring the physical or pushing the physical away and not realizing that those two together are what we need to use to activate our full embodiment of our light body. So I'm really excited to share all of this with you. And I wanted to give you a little sneak peek of what's to come, but also to share this beautiful spot with you because it's just incredible. And I'm sending you waves of energy, lots of sunshine, and all the beautiful dragon energy that's here available to all of us. I love you. I appreciate you. I honor you. Until next time, I'll see you from down under. Take care.